Hey guys, my name is Felix. I am from Domino Chinese. So in this video, I just want to show you how to use Pleco if you're a Domino Chinese student, if you'd like to use our course on Pleco instead. So because we don't want to discriminate anyone from using specific apps, so we've set up Domino Chinese on any app, so we just leave the decision to you. We also have a few little articles telling you about what we think you should use, basically, what we recommend. So here we go, this is how you set up Pleco. And it is a bit complicated, but that is only because it has its perks afterwards. Okay, so you make sure you download the app. It's called Pleco. It has a little Chinese U character, and that means fish. Wonderful. We open it up, and it looks something like this. And then you open up an email, that one, and then you make sure you save it, so you have it on your phone. So now it's been added, and then what you can do now is that you can go to on the app. Now everything stays in the app. Okay, good. And then what you do is you go into bookmarks and you import bookmarks, as in this one. I did this video very slowly. I'm sorry about that. Okay, so now these are the steps, but I just want you to do is this one here. This one here. Hold on, this one here, this one here. Good. Okay, and now I want you to set everything, or actually, yeah, just start importing immediately, and then you'll find the file, because it'll recognize it, and it will say today's date as well. And then after that, I want you to just go through this menu, and maybe you want to stop the video here at this point, just pause it, and have a look at how we set it all up, because you want yours to be set up in the exact same way. Okay, so good. You want the bottom things, definitions only, and so on, to be as such as well. And then you're done, and then you press import, and then it asks you, do you want these? When you go down, you'll see that's not all of them, but it is actually all of them. So now this will take a while. I fast forward it a little bit. And we are good to go. And now what's a bit annoying, I should have maybe started the video with this, but if you really like Pleco, you know what it is, and you probably paid for it already. Now, by the way, you can see all the levels, all the lessons, and then inside the lessons you have all the words. You can see that and use it as such, but and now here's the tricky part, or the annoying part of the video that I obviously had to mention at the end. So annoying, Felix. Now anyways, you actually have to, if you're on a iOS, so that's an iPhone or something, you actually have to pay for this. You go into available, you go into flashcards, and you have to pay for it. In Swedish, that's 109, and that almost translates to 109 renminbi, so that's about $10, a bit more than that, I think. You go flashcard systems, you download that. If you, however, are on I'm too cheap to buy that, so if you, however, are on an Android, this is completely for free. So Android shots are coming up here. I'm also very cheap, so I can't even bother doing a video for that. So here's your screenshots. You go in, and then you can actually see test, and then you go in and you can actually test yourself, and this is what it looks like. You see the test there, you get the question, did you get it right, did you get it not? Did you not get it right? And then you press yes and no. And that is pretty much what it looks like. If you think it's worth it, I definitely think it's worth it if you prefer it. If you like the way Pleco does things. It's a very, very good dictionary as well, and one that we recommend. So I very much recommend watching this video and doing as I am telling you to do. Download the app and then and start using these flashcard things as well. Maybe I'll actually contact Pleco and maybe we can get some discounts as well for our lovely Domino students. That's it from this video. I hope you enjoyed it very much. Bye bye.